So hi, we're here with the Tourist Minister of Rajasthan. Can you tell us, today is the first day of the event. How are you finding the event today?
It's very beautifully organized, it's very well organized, and everybody has their pavilions here. We are so happy to be here as Rajasthan, as the state of Rajasthan, and I think it's going to go a long way in getting more tourists into India as well as to Rajasthan. Yes.
Great. And what strategies have your association and department developed to bolster tourism in the area?
Yes, so we have actually set aside about 5,000 crore rupees as the tourism infrastructure fund in our budget to develop new destinations, to improve the infrastructure, to make it more safe, to make it more friendly, to make the whole atmosphere conducive for the tourists who come and visit Rajasthan. And we are talking about it. We are going to come up with our phone app. We have improved our social media. We're doing a lot more branding and a lot more publicity all over the world. So we have really now opened up. We are really committed into making Rajasthan the number one tourist destination, the most preferred destination for everyone, for the global tourist and as well as the Indian tourists.
And how is the visa-free travel boosting travel industry for you?
Yes, yes. No, I think the visa issues are also much easier now. It's easier for people to travel from the UK into India. So the whole free trade agreement has really helped. I think we have a great relationship with UK. So that is going to go a long way into making people want to visit India and to visit Rajasthan.
Great. And can you highlight some campaigns that your association is organising
Yes.
for promoting tourism? Can you highlight something that you're working on?
So we really are working towards. We are in the process right now to have maybe a tie up with people in like a marketing agency or an agency in the UK where we do a lot more outdoor publicity for Rajasthan. So we are working towards that. We are also coming out with our new media policy where we are going to be talking about Rajasthan and promoting Rajasthan in all the important tourist destinations worldwide. So you'll have big billboards of Rajasthan. You may have Rajasthan on your double-decker buses. So those kind of things. So that the
Yeah.
branding for Rajasthan is bigger.
And everyone's talking about sustainable tourism at the moment. And what about in your region? Do you have like a plan for this?
Yes.
And what kind of things are you looking to do?
So we give a lot of incentives to people who set up their tourism units or their hotels or their new tourism ventures if they are sustainable, if they are getting, putting in sustainable practices. So we give them more, incentivize them. We are also encouraging a lot more solar going, people switching to solar electricity as well as other sustainable means of how, you could run your hotel or do something where, they have all these tourist places, even more electric vehicles. So all of those things, Rajasthan has got policies there now where if you have these practices in your hotel or whatever unit you're putting in, you will get more incentives from the government.
Amazing. Um, how does this involve communities? Are you involving local communities, and how do you like to involve them in this initiative?
So we are doing that as well. We ensure that whichever hotels that open up in Rajasthan employ the local people, and also they take in the local handicrafts and they encourage the craftsmen in that region. So whether it be how they decorate their place or how whatever they source, it should be sourced from the local people. So I'm talking about even getting employment as well as the other things that they use in their hotels should also be from the local communities. As well as we have this amazing, the culture of Rajasthan. We have the most amazing dancers. We have the most amazing musicians. So we also encourage them. We promote them as well. So, with public and private partnerships, we really want to we do that. Our government is very focused towards also getting them to come into the mainstream and to promote them and to encourage them and how we can improve their livelihoods.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you
dear,
so
for your
much.
time.
Thank
Wish you
you.
every success here at the show.
Thank you so
Hopefully
much.
see you
Thank you.
again.
It's wonderful to be here. Thank you.
Thanks.